Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add one password on Chrome. So let's have a look now. Open a new browser tab in Google Chrome. Click on these three dots. Then click on Extension. Choose Web Store. Search for OnePassword extension. Click on it. Click on Add to Chrome. Confirm the action. The OnePassword for Chrome will now be visible as an icon to the right of the address bar. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.